Warehousing means storing or accumulating goods until issues or deliveries, while distribution would mean delivering goods safely and efficiently. Both activities could happen with related logistics, but loading or unloading of goods at origin or at destination would be optional as per prior agreement. In today's context, these two activities need specialized attention to detail, as these activities represent a crucial part of a business, such as inventory, delivery, and customer services. For an effective business operation, these two activities could be analyzed separately, but it is ideal to integrate both operationally to reap the maximum benefits for all parties and to keep cost under control. In warehousing, it is critical to have an efficient warehouse management system, WMS, with the maximum utilization of space. This means the use of maximum flow area for operations while going vertical with an efficient racking system. Generally, the tendency is that once you have the warehouse processes and technology in place, then it continues unattended for several years. There should be continuous monitoring of the system during the year, with at least a revision of the system once in 2 years. Spend time to re-evaluate all your operational resources. Ensure that your warehouse layout, inventory management strategies are properly aligned to make your business profitable. All your cost-effective measures will provide you with a competitive advantage against competition. Remember, your style of warehousing may need to change because the supply chain logistics industry is undergoing tremendous change every moment. Without any doubt, it is easy to say that technology is the key to modern warehousing, but it is very costly. Therefore, these points are to develop the basics to deliver higher efficiency within the existing systems. But remember, introducing simple solutions like automated conveyor belts could be very advantageous in eliminating manual handling and improving efficiency. In the area of distribution, the transport and logistics businesses can be very lucrative, at the same time highly competitive. This attracts many operators into this line of business, though it requires a high level of core competencies to succeed. Knowing your operational costs is critical. If one doesn't track the fixed and variable costs precisely, then the business will have difficulties in knowing your profits and losses. While fixed cost covers drivers' salaries, permits, insurance, and so on, variables would cover things such as fuel and maintenance. Tracking fuel cost is difficult, but it can be made easy with an automated transport management system. Such a system allows monitoring fuel usage per truck, giving visibility for saving options, making it easier to establish an efficient accounting system. Manual calculations in this area are usually prone to errors and make it difficult in figuring out business income. Focus on a load more, travel less strategy. Plan for milk runs, hub and spoke models, or direct deliveries while focusing on return loads. Remember, the application of these models would depend on the individual type of operations. Distribution has always been aimed at faster delivery, but in today's business, shipment tracking has become crucial for achieving operational efficiency. Therefore, use of technologies such as GPS and geofencing, the entire distribution system can be made efficient. GPS will indicate the exact location, while geofencing will indicate when the delivery enters your business boundaries. These cost-effective tools can really help businesses cut down on idling times at the docks, reducing detention and giving quicker turnaround for vehicles. Also, when the operational staff is informed in advance of the deliveries with the necessary information through such systems, the operation and planning becomes extremely efficient at the most competitive cost. It is important that this operation is open to change, agile, to keep you ahead of the curve. Now, these are just a handful of tips that the trade can use at any point to ensure a smooth warehousing and distribution operation.